What motorcycle manufacturer is known for their iconic Goldwing model? B. Honda. Which motorcycle brand uses the slogan, American by birth, rebel by choice? C. Harley-Davidson. What famous motorcycle race takes place on the Isle of Man? B. The Isle of Man TT. Which company is known for producing the CBR series of motorcycles? C. Honda. What brand of motorcycles is commonly associated with the phrase, the American legend? C. Harley-Davidson. Which motorcycle manufacturer is based in Italy and is known for its high-performance bikes? A. Ducati. What company produces the popular R-Series sport bikes? C. Yamaha. Which motorcycle brand is famous for its GS adventure touring motorcycles? C. BMW. What motorcycle manufacturer uses the slogan, ready to race? B. KTM. Which company is known for producing the Ninja series of sport bikes? B. Kawasaki.